how to block someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to block someone on Snapchat. In order to block someone on Snapchat, first of all, open up your Snapchat application and log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap the chat button, and while you're on the chat page, here you'll be able to see a list of chat history. So on this page, you'll be able to find all of the users that you share Snap with, or that the particular contact is on your friend list. So what you need to do is, in order to block them, you'll need to long press on the username and then go to manage friendship. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see block button. Tap the block. For the confirmation, click on block. As soon as you've done that, the particular chat history will be deleted from the chat page as well, and the user has been blocked on Snapchat. So this is the way you can block someone on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.